Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, Moses TCG. Today I'm going to show you how to delete deposits in the Quickbooks. Let me just log into my account. Sometimes you might have deposited a wrong deposit, and you might need to delete it. This is how you're going to do it. Okay, what you do, you go to the banking menu. You click on the banking menu. Let me first clear this. Okay, you click on the banking menu, then from the banking menu select use register. Then from the register you select the account where you made the wrong deposit and click OK. Okay, from the list you locate for that wrong deposit. Like for my case, this is the wrong deposit. As you can see now, I have double, I have duplicates. I want to delete one. So normally if you click here, there's no way you can delete it. What you need to do is just to right click, okay, and say delete deposit. Then you say okay. The deposit has been deleted. That is how you do it. That is how you delete deposits from Quickbooks. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. If you feel like this video is helpful, please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.